weather finally broke in the middle of April. Jacob loaded up his wagon of last year's fur. He'd have to make the trip alone, 'cause it would be too risky for his pretty wife Sarah and the unborn child she carried with her. It took 3 weeks to reach the Mississippi River, and he turned south toward New Orleans. For a boy from the mountain, it was easy to get caught up in the sights and the sounds of the city and the things he'd never seen. And the river rolls on like an endless river. Sunlight glistens on the rocks below. He can hear her voice in the rippling waters, saying, "Please be home before the cold winds blow." He fell in with a bad companion. Said, "Give me all your money or I'll take your line." Jacob drew his pistol, and in less than a heartbeat, the stranger lay dead on the floor, and some had to pay the price. 3 long years in a Louisiana prison, he stands on the hill that overlooks his farm, with his woman by his side. He thanks God for his blessings, but most of all for the blonde-haired child resting in his arms. And the river rolls on like an endless river. Sunlight glistens on the rocks below. He can hear her voice in the rippling waters, saying, "Please be home before the cold winds blow." Yes, he can hear her voice